Whew. All right, what's up everyone? Welcome back for another video. Thanks for joining me. Let's talk about this for a second. All right, so today's the day BMW is getting traded in. So last time we'll see this car. Not that you really saw it on the channel, but I do have the one video about things I hate about this car. So I'll link that up there. People seem to love the things. I'm being sarcastic. People seem to hate the things I listed as things I hate, but here it is. Red interior, sick. Always like this red interior. A lot of stuff with this car that I kind of hate, but it's getting traded in. Don't have to deal with it anymore. Found this while we were cleaning the car out. This is like the map pocket. I can't even get my hand all the way deep, so if you put something in there, it gets stuck. I assume it goes back all the way to like here somewhere. Stupid design, but yeah. This is the time when you clean all the shit out of your car. So we're doing that, getting all the stuff out. So when we bring it to the dealer, it's a quick, hopefully quick transaction. This is basically all the stuff that was in the car, minus that cup. Not too bad actually. Back in the garage for a second, talk briefly about this before we get into the actual part of the car. I got you up here on the tripod. So if you watched the last video, I actually teased, well not really teased it, but I put a clip of this car in the video. Not the specific car we're getting, because we're getting brand new. Put the car in the video. If you want to play a game, you can pause the video now, go check it out, and guess which car you think it is in the comments if you want. But you will see it if you just, I know you'll probably just skip ahead to see what car it is. But this car we ordered May 5th or 6th, might have been on Cinco de Mayo that we ordered the car, and we were told that the email we got said that the car was going to begin production in August. So we figured, all right, we got a long time to wait. No big deal. We got time left on the lease. So we ordered it, and then we got the email that they were building it in July. And then we got another email saying they were building it in June. So it's been basically 6 weeks, I think. It's middle of July. It's actually the end of July. It's July 30th right now. We're going to pick the car up. Actually came in last week, but we didn't get a chance to go pick it up. So we're going today. Get the car. Came a lot faster than we thought. Pretty excited. So let's get on to the new car. All right, so we're back from the dealer. Let's look at the car. I don't know why I'm putting all this effort in, since you probably just fast forwarded it to see this anyway. And also, I already posted this on Instagram last night, so go follow me there, I guess. If you didn't figure out with all those random B-roll footage, we got a Ford, so let's check it out. So yeah, it's a Ford Mustang. So we got Mustang GT. This is in, I don't know the actual color gray, I'll tell you in a minute. I have the window sticker inside, but we have the performance pack. Comes with the Brembo brakes in front and a few other things. I think like a upgraded sway bar, different differential gearing in the back, a limited slip or whatever. But look at this thing. One of my favorite features so far. Well, not so far. Let's interior. Interior. Figuring out how to get this all situated, but you got switches down here. You could change the modes. So normal, I don't know what to do with my mode, but sport mode changes the dash. Track mode, completely different. I actually haven't put it in drag mode. I don't know if that changes. No. For those of you who've been watching the channel for a long time, we used to have a Mustang. Actually had a V6. The old body style, I think it was S197 was the body code or whatever. It was a 2013 if I remember correctly. Had that. We loved that car. Got the BMW eventually. Kind of traded it in on a whim because it kind of worked for the situation that we needed, because we needed another all-wheel drive vehicle for commuting to and from work, since we have the truck. And we had a WRX. Then we needed another all-wheel drive vehicle so my wife could commute to work just in case it snowed and stuff like that. Wife works from home now, so don't need the all-wheel drive vehicle. BMW was a good car, but not for us. Like it didn't fit for us. This car, awesome so far, loving it. So I'm gonna show you another quick cold start. And some revs. So as you see, as you could hear or whatever, and like I said already, it's the V8, which sounds awesome already. Probably not even going to touch the exhaust. They do have an active exhaust you could get with this car from the factory, and at the time I decided I'm not going to spend the extra money on it because I'm probably going to change the exhaust anyway. So we have the stock exhaust, and the stock exhaust sounds pretty damn good by itself, so might not even touch it. Just save myself some money. So to answer some more of a couple questions I've been getting, this is the Mustang GT with the Performance Pack. There's no longer a Performance Pack 1 and 2, it's just Performance Pack. If you want like the 2 would be, you have to go up to the Mustang Mach 1 now, which it's the same engine, but I believe it has a few things like the GT350 transmission, I think something with like subframe and stuff like that. But since this is the 10-speed automatic, the selling point of the GT350 transmission doesn't work for us because we want automatic. We don't need the manual. So that's the quick intro for the car. So actually going to go inside and get the window sticker. We'll talk about all the features on the car and then close it out. See you in a second. Alright, so it's a little darker than I was expecting it to be in here, but anyway, so I got the window sticker. Go over a few key points here. Heated and cooled seats, heated steering wheel, got that cool dash, like I mentioned before, the performance package, which is funny because I could have swore that on Ford's website it said that the performance package came with Michelin Pilot Super Sports. They're not on the car right now. There's Pirelli P0s on the car. Maybe I just read something that wasn't there. Maybe it was there and they changed it mid-production. There is a lot of stuff back-ordered at the moment around the entire world, so maybe it was a availability problem, if it was the case, but it is what it is. Those tires are on there for now. We're eventually going to switch things up anyway, because we're probably going to get winter tires for these stock wheels, and then we're going to order new wheels and possibly use these tires that are on it now. Not too sure yet, but other than that, I want to thank you guys for joining me. At any point in this video, you could have just skipped forward, so I don't know why I put the little blur over the car, but It is what it is, and especially if you follow me on Instagram, you would have saw it already. But gotta make it click somehow, right? So it is what it is. Thanks for joining me. There will be more videos on this Mustang. Maybe a video going over the plans with the car. But that's what we're doing. Thanks for joining me. Subscribe, hit that like button, and all that good stuff.